So every time you wait, you see as if the mind is going deeper and deeper and deeper in search of that real self. Pick up a point again in the space inside the heart. You're aware of a point. Om Shanti. Mentally, Om is real self. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And then wait. Flow is equal. Body is steady. Mind is living within. Very good. You'll be amazed to know that what the Buddha says mindfulness, object-less state of the mind. Are we not moving to the objectless state of the mind? It will only happen when the mind stops moving, merges, melts into the real self. So we are doing it consciously. We know what is happening. That is the beauty of the meditation practices we do together. We don't leave any point of unconscious or habitual pattern to enter. Um, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Did you realize I did not say do nothing now? That I always used to say. Why I said so? To introduce that Dhamma. Can you still continue with that Om Shanti Shanti looking inside? Cultivating, replacing. So it will work for that purpose also. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand. Your awareness on the left hand. Raise both your palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. How are you, Kate?
Awesome.
Awesome. Good.
Real, very peaceful, very quiet.
Very
Lovely.
quiet, very peaceful. Beautiful. Wonderful. How are you, Christina?
Good morning. Thank you for that session. That was beautiful. I really enjoyed, or I really liked how you reminded us of cultivating from those old habits. As during the practice, after the breath work and retention, I had a flush of the old feelings of anxiety, and I felt like I was almost gonna, like, I got very sweaty, and I felt like I may have thrown up. But I knew that those were the old feelings, and then just accepting this new peace and knowing that it's all good.
Yes,
So I'm really enjoying every day of
I
meeting
like
together.
it.
So thank you.
Christina, every time you evolve, the way you explain, this is wonderful. How are you, David and Jerry?
Um, I just found it very simple, I guess is the best word. Very easy, very deep. The short breaths has become remarkably simple. It just all of a sudden clicks as soon as we started, and I have zero struggles with it. And then just peaceful. The rest of it, my meditation, it was wonderful.
See that, see that. I have been telling, simpler the practice, higher it is. But even if it is difficult practice, it becomes very simple to you. That tells the nature of evolution of the mind. Beautiful. How are you, Jerry?
So it was good. It was good space, just really good space. And like Christina, I like the takeaway of cultivating and replacing and channeling habits, because I think we have to, right?
We have to. Yes, yes, Jerry. That's a beautiful. We have to. If we don't do it, we remain the same. Beautiful. How are you, Laura?
The meditation was good, but then I also had all of the old crap come up really, really big. So it wasn't so peaceful for me. I mean, I was able to stay in the meditation, but I'm going to tell you, like, all the shadow stuff came really, really big today. And so it was challenging. And I questioned myself a lot. Am I even able to do this?
Yes,
So
yes. But what is most beautiful part, the way you narrated that you continued the meditation. So there was one state of meditation on one hand, and you are able to discern all the crap on the other hand. So gradually, what will happen? This crap will not dominate you. So you are the winner. You are the winner. That is how the process continues. So you have to be the winner. There is no chance. Why? Because we all are seekers. How are you, Stephen?
I'm fantastic. I felt that I was pulled into my meditation the second you started to talk. So
Good.
I closed my eyes and saw myself between the palms of my hands in the Namaste Mudra. And then when you actually started the practice, I was immediately drawn into my heart. And the practice was simple, quiet, um, extremely relaxing, thoughtless. And as David said, the breathing part was extremely easy.
Easy.
Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it all.
Beautiful. You I think it's worth noting the way Stephen is explaining. Do you do you see the cultivating the habit? That point, did you note in the Stephen's narration that the moment you started speaking, I was in Namaste Mudra? Can you see that Namaste Mudra to whom your mind has been reacting, even to your crap? And then see what happens. Beautiful. How are you, Vaibhav? Then we'll go to.
So I'm relaxed, I'm calm, and it's like the mind was so calm that now it started falling into sleep. And I realized that it is falling into a sleep, so I don't have to sleep also. And then
Yes,
I was all like my awareness was there, and that situation passed on, and I was totally into meditation after that.
beautiful. Sleep is one of the greatest obstacles in meditation. So we'll understand. I think we have understood. So we will also take up. But what you did is perfectly right. How are you, Terry? Where are you, my friend?
There it is.
There it is. Yes.
Mine was also challenging, and I like the idea of creating the new habit to replace the impression with a different impression. So I just kept, at one point, I just kept hammering with the Om.
Yeah.
Or we used to do Om.
Yeah.
Because I could, the other thing was not working out. So I just said, I need to attack this thing,
Yeah. That too is good. Not to get carried away by any impulsive, habitual nature of the mind. And because we have been learning many steps, so any step can work. Yes, it should. Good. But know that you are not your body, you are real self. How are you, Ashok? I see moving lips, but no sound.
Sir, today practice was very good and going to more peace better
Good.
than before. Thank you.
Very good. So your mind was receptive today. That is why the practice is good. So, any question? But understand, think it over. Dhamma. And majority, I think everyone has got it. Cultivating new habit, replacing old. They both go together. So, according to Lara, if crap comes, mentally you do namaste to the crap also. Thank you very much. You have come to raise my awareness. Now I know you. Please. That is one way to say Dhamma. So we will also understand, remind me, so we'll understand there is a Karmala practice. We will be doing it in the next session. That is all for today. Thank you very much. Be in
Thank you, sir.
peace
Thank
and
you.
keep
Thank you.
smiling. Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste, namaste.